Salam everyone, welcome to another Tatar lesson, and today we're going to continue talking about ourselves and we'll dive into the topic of family or غايله. غايله means family. Before we start talking about our family though, let's first learn a few words that stand for the members of a family. Let's start with the main family members. Number one, Annie. Mom, Annie, or Ona, mother, Ona. Number two, Ati, dad, Ati, or Ota, father, Ota. Number three, Abby, or grandma, Abby, Annie, Etty, Abby. They all sound very similar, don't they? There's only one letter difference. So Annie is with N, Annie. Etty is with T, Etty. And Abby is with B, Abby. Okay, let's keep going on. And the fourth family member is Boboy. Boboy. Or grandpa, Boboy. 5, Oppa, older sister, Oppa. Oppa can also be used for an aunt or a female person who is older than you in age, just to show some respect. For example, Lilia Oppa, maybe Aunt Lily or Aunt Lilia. Abi, older brother, Abi. Just like with the previous word, Oppa, Abi can also be used for an uncle. For example, Rashid Abi or Uncle Rashid. And again, Abi can also be used for a male person who is older than you in age, to show some respect. Abi. 7, single, or little sister, single. Number 8, inne, little brother. This word is actually hardly ever used by itself, and it's normally used with the ending of possession to show who the little brother belongs to. For example, innim, my little brother, inning, your little brother, inisi, his or her little brother, and so on. So, inne, innim. 9, cuz, or daughter. This word can also be used just for a girl, just a regular girl, cuz. And 10, ul, son, ul. Just like with the word inne, the word ul is hardly ever used by itself, and there's a feeling that you actually need to add some kind of a possession ending at the end, just to show who the son or ul belongs to. For example, ulam, my son, ulang, your son, ula, his or her son, and so on. So ul. So how do we use these words in the possessive meaning to show that it's my family members? And today we're only going to look at my. Minim aniyim, my mom. Minim aniyim. Or you can just skip minim, which is my, and just use aniyim because it has the ending of im, which shows the belonging of the word ani to me. So minim aniyim or just aniyim. Minim etiyim, my dad. Minim etiyim or etiyim. Minim abiyim, my grandma. Minim abiyim or just abiyim. Minim babam, my grandpa. Minim babam or, again, as you guessed, just babam. Minim opam, my elder sister, minim opam, or just opam, minim obayım, my elder brother or my uncle, minim obayım, or just obayım, minim singilim, my little sister, minim singilim, or just singilim, minim enim, my little brother, minim enim, or enim, minim kızım, my daughter, minim kızım, or kızım, minim oğlum, my son, minim oğlum, or oğlum. Now let's give a short intro about our family using the words that we learned today. Note that I will be using a fictional family so that I can utilize all the words that we learned today. Minim ismim Leysen. Minim gailem big zor. Bizning gailebizde 8 kişi. Etiyim, eniyim, ebiyim, babam, abayım, singilim, enim, hemmim. Etiyeniyim, kibitde işliler. Abayım yuvarı oku yurtunda okuy. Ebi babam, ide enim bilen singilimni korular. Min mektepte okuyum. Biz kübev, lakin biz bik tatlı yaşaybiz. Min gailemni yaratam. My name is Leysen. I have a big family. There are 8 of us in our family. My mom, my dad, my grandma, my grandpa, my elder brother, my little sister, my little brother, and myself. My parents work at a store. My elder brother goes to college. And my grandparents stay at home taking care of my little brother and sister. I go to high school. There are a lot of us in our family, but we all get along very well. I love my family. Now you know how to name your family members in Tatar and how to talk about your family. Tell me this, who do you have in your family? List them in the comments below. I'm waiting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can keep learning the Tatar language. Hoşçakalın. Bye bye. See you soon. Mwah!